Welcome to 13601 Kristin Place in the coveted Highland Mews subdivision of Herndon. Join us on our tour today. This is the heart of the home. This is the kitchen. We've got painted cabinets, granite countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances. What I really love is you have this little breakfast bar. The open floor plan in this home is a must. We have a dining room section, we have the living room, and a beautiful gas fireplace. The natural sunlight lights up the entire main level. You have an additional half bath and a washer and dryer. This primary suite is full of life. Sunlight, vaulted ceilings, fresh paint, and 3 closets. The 2 bedrooms upstairs share this wonderfully sized bathroom. We have 2 sinks, luxury vinyl plank flooring, new fixtures, and brand new paint. The second bedroom is just as great as the first. We have vaulted ceilings, fresh paint, brand new carpet, and you get to overlook your beautiful backyard. Fabulous for hosting barbecues, get together with friends and family. Thank you for joining us today. For your own private tour of this home, please reach out to the Nellis Group.